Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tasty Tongue, and today we are going to make a super healthy, yummy and crispy eggless whole wheat chocolate waffles. So our ingredients are whole wheat flour or atta 2/3 cup, corn flour 2 tablespoon, powdered sugar half cup, cocoa powder 4 tablespoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon and baking soda half teaspoon. Vanilla essence 1 tablespoon, curd 4 tablespoon, oil or butter 2 tablespoon, milk half cup. So now let's start with our recipe. In a bowl, first let's mix our wet ingredients, and that is first we'll take curd, and oil. We'll add the vanilla essence and we'll just mix the oil and curd. Now we will sieve our dry ingredients into it. First we'll take our flour, atta, sieve it, then our powdered sugar, our corn flour, cocoa powder, last but not the least our baking powder and the baking soda. So now let's mix our ingredients well. Now gradually we'll add our milk slowly. We don't want our batter to be too runny or too thick. It should be just as like our cake batter. So this is the consistency that we need. I took 2/3 cup of milk, but I used approximately a half cup of milk. This much is remaining. So the milk depends upon the flour you are using. Some flour takes excess water milk, some flour needs less. So just check the consistency. This must be the consistency, such as cake consistency. So now let's just make our waffle. For that, first we'll preheat our waffle maker. And let's grease it with some oil or butter or ghee, whatever you prefer, on both sides. It will make our waffle crispy and easy to remove. Now that our waffle maker is hot, let's just add a spoonful of batter into it. After 5 minutes, let's check our waffle. Just look at it. The color is so brilliant, so nice color. So now let's just serve our waffle. We can serve it with ice cream, whipped cream, maple syrup. I'll just serve it with chocolate sauce. So that's it. Our waffle is ready to eat.